Hi guys, I hope you're all keeping well and safe. Welcome to Early Years Matters TV. On today's episode of Early Years Matters TV, I am going to be talking about why getting young kids involved in cooking is a good idea. Yes, today's discussion is going to be all about the reason why you should get young children involved in cooking. If this is the kind of video you're looking for, please do ensure that you watch it to the end. Yes, the first benefit in relation to engaging young children in cooking is children tend to take cooking skills into adulthood. Yes, this group of children, okay, you're engaging them in cooking from younger age, okay, and they bring these cooking skills into adulthood, okay. It's been proven that children learn from their environment, they learn from people around them. Yes, so this is important, okay. So children tend to bring on cooking skills into adulthood. Yes, these children, they've seen people engaging in cooking, be it their parents, their guidance, or their teachers, okay. So they are learning to cook from younger age, okay, and these skills, this group of children tend to bring it into adulthood, okay. Like I used to say on this channel, early childhood is the period that children learn skills, okay, skills that they will need for later on in life, and one of those skills is cooking skills, okay. So when young children start to learn to cook from younger age, they tend to bring these cooking skills into adulthood, okay. The second benefit of children cooking from younger age, they tend to learn essential skills, okay. They tend to learn skills such as confidence. Yes, when this group of children are learning to cook, okay, it makes them to be confident in themselves, okay. It will make them to be confident learner that yes, they are able to do things on their own, okay. This group of children also learn to be responsible. Yes, they are learning to cook, okay. So they are responsible for cooking, okay. So when you as the adult, whether you're the parent, you're the guardian or teachers, during cooking, you assign this group of children tasks to do, okay. So they learn to take on this responsibility, okay. They learn to take on this role, okay. And this is an essential skills that children will need as they grow up in life, because in community, okay, we have to take responsibility, okay. So one of the skills that young children learn during cooking is responsibility skills. They learn to be confident as well, and they also learn to be independent. Yes, during the stage of cooking, young children learn to do things on their own. It could be maybe you as the adult, you assign tasks for them that they should mix or they should scoop. This is a responsibility that they are taking, and it will encourage them to be independent, okay. So as young children are learning to cook, they are learning essential skills that they will need for later on in life. Take note of this as well. All right, the benefits of cooking is it's a time to bond, okay. You as the adult, whether you're the parent, you're the guardian or teachers of this group of children, during cooking, it's a time for you to bond with the child. Yes, it's a time for you to bond with the child, okay. I often say to people, it's not when you sit down and talk to the child that you can only bond with the child, okay. When you're doing things with the child, you're bonding as well, okay. So cooking also encourages the adults to bond with the child, and vice versa as well. Cooking also encourages the child to bond with the adults as well, okay. So from younger age, okay, when children are engaging in cooking, they do the adult, okay, and you as the adult as well, vice versa, you bond with the child as well. The benefits of young children learning to cook is they learn to make healthier choices or decisions. Yes, okay. So this group of children, when they see you as the adult make healthier decisions in terms of the food that you give to them to eat, okay, these children learn this already, okay, and as they grow up, they tend to make the same decision as well, okay. So if you're cooking more of veg, okay, healthy eating options, okay, you're providing it for children, okay, you're cooking it with these children, okay, they learn this types of food, okay, and as they grow up, they make the decision to eat healthier as well, because this is what they see you do as the adult, whether you're the parent, you're the guardian or teachers, okay. And it will encourage them when they grow up to make healthy options as well, which is important because they see you cook this meal at home. This is freshly made at home, okay. So it would encourage them to always prepare meal at home as well, instead of going for junk food, okay. So it's really important when children start to cook from younger age. It encourages make healthy decisions in terms of what they eat, okay. Take note of, okay. Lastly, another benefit in relation to young children learning to cook is it teaches them mathematical skills, and they learn to use words. Yes, okay. Yes, you might be wondering, okay, why mathematical skills? Yes, and you know mathematical skills is essential. Everyday life is part of mathematics, okay. Our everyday life has to do with mathematics, okay. So when children learn to cook, okay, from younger age, okay, they learn mathematical skills such as mixing, scooping, core thing, okay, so which they will need as they grow up. Okay, so in relation to young children cooking, okay, they learn mathematical skills and also language as well. They use words, okay, they ask you as the adult, okay, what would you like them to do, or you as the adult telling them what to do. Okay, so they are learning to use words, they are picking words from you. Okay, so I'm going to encourage you, whether you're the parent, you're the guide, or teachers of this group of children, always encourage young children to cook. Okay, so said all the benefits related to young children cooking. Okay, so I'm going to encourage you as the adult, whether you're the parent, you're the guide, or teachers of this group of children, to always encourage this group of children to up when you're cooking. Okay, so you encourage them to up in relation to when you're cooking. It could be things such as mixing, okay, bringing things from you, okay, because they are young children, they're not the one preparing the meal, but it's important that when you're preparing the meal, you encourage young children to watch you, okay, motivate them to watch you cook, okay, give them tasks to do, okay, ask them to wash the vegetables, ask them to wash the carrot, the onions, okay, so they are learning. Ask them to bring things for you, bring recipe from you from the cupboard or from the fridge, okay, so let them watch you cook, okay, so which is going to help them in relation to when they grow up with all the benefits that I've listed. Okay, so if you're looking for more of this video, subscribe to my channel, and not just subscribing to my channel, turn on your notification bell so that every time I upload a new video, you'll be the first person to be notified. And also on this channel, I have a join membership. Okay, so if you're looking for ways to support me in relation to what I do, okay, so do check out my membership out. Okay, and one of the perk on my membership is early years parents. Okay, so if you're a first-time mom, or you're an expectant mom, okay, or you're a parent of young children from birth to 8, and you're looking for that support, because parenting is daunting, okay, I must say to you, parenting is not easy. Okay, you need that support from people around you. Okay, so do check this perk out. It is called early years parenting, okay, and you could make use of this opportunity to ask me any questions that you have in relation to early childhood. If you're looking for tips in relation to how to encourage your children to learn and grow together, okay, support you on this journey. Take care and mind yourselves for now. Bye.